What's cracking, y'all? It's your boy Futuristic back with Indie Amplify. You see the mother freaking drip, man. We got the lightning bolt chain. We got the indie hat if you need it. Make sure you go to the link in the description. Get you some indie merch so you can rep the gang. Today, we're going to talk about layering your vocals. I can't sing, all right? I can't sing. A lot of y'all can't sing. It's cool. I'm going to teach y'all how to sing, sort of, and sound good on a song. Since I am not a great singer, I have had to develop a way to sound good on records, and how I do that is layering vocals. First, I do a regular take 3 times. I do a low take 2 times, and I do a high take 2 times. Why you're gonna do that is because it's going to make you sound way more full and give more support to your vocal. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up, yeah. Did what ya, alright. You make me wanna risk it all, yeah. Give it up, yeah. Did what ya, alright. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up, did what ya. You make me wanna risk it all. Give it up, yeah, did what ya, alright. So after you lay these vocals, you are going to pan them. If you don't mix and you don't master, you don't do your own music, you need an engineer, book one at indieamplify.com or get one of your homies to do it. When I say pan, that means you're gonna move it a little bit to this side of the speaker, a little bit to this side of the speaker. I like to do mine 40% on each one. So 40%, 40%, 40%, 40%, 40%, 40%. Leave your main vocal in the middle. Now that you have layered the vocals, you're gonna wanna do some doubles, some ad-libs, something to give the song more emotion. Another thing that you can do is do a cool, airy undertone. When you realize there's certain things that you just can't do vocally, bring somebody in who can. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up, did what ya, alright. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up, yeah. Did what ya, oh yeah. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up, did what ya. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up, yeah. Did what ya, yeah. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, you follow my guy Sam Apoku. This is how to layer your vocals. Go to indieamplify.com for all of your independent needs. It's your boy Futuristic. I'm out. Sheesh. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up, did what ya, alright. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up, did what ya, alright. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up, did what ya. You make me wanna risk it all, give it up,